Welcome to my channel, Befriend Money. We live in a world where doing nothing might just be the smartest thing you ever do. Because right now, thousands of people are making money, while they sleep. Not from hustle. Not from luck. But from AI. Welcome to the era of lazy money. Where machines don't just think, they earn. The average human works 1,811 hours a year. Yet, in 2025, an AI program can outperform a human's yearly output, in under 48 hours. In the last 12 months alone, AI automation tools have generated over $1.2 billion in passive revenue globally from automated YouTube channels, e-commerce stores, and AI trading bots. And that's just the reported number. The question is not, can AI make money? It's actually, why are not you letting it make money for you yet? This movement started quietly on Reddit forums and Discord servers. People began experimenting with tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and AutoGPT. And soon discovered AI does not just create art or text, it creates opportunity. Take the story of Super Cat League, AI-generated animated channel with 4.2 million subscribers. YouTubers use ChatGPT to write daily YouTube scripts, 11 Labs to narrate them, and Pika Labs to animate them. There are multiple AI-generated channel exists and makes over $4,000 per month, fully automated. No camera. No editing. Just prompts. So, what's the secret setup behind this lazy income? Let's break it down into 3 levels. Level 1: AI for automated businesses. Platforms like Shopify Magic and Durable.co let you build entire e-commerce stores in minutes. With AI handling ads, copywriting, and customer chat, your business runs while you're offline. Some call it drop servicing, others call it automation. But the result is the same: time saved, money earned. Level 2: AI in finance and trading. AI-driven trading bots now execute 70% of all global trades. Platforms like Kavout, Numerai, and Stoic use predictive AI models to grow portfolios automatically. It's not a get-rich-quick path, but it's the ultimate lazy compounding machine. Because the real power of AI is not in speed. It's in consistency. But not everyone's cheering. Critics argue automation will kill jobs and not create wealth. They might be right, for those who ignore it. The truth is, every revolution creates new winners. When electricity came, some said candles were forever. When the internet came, people said books were safe. The lazy ones who embrace AI are not avoiding work. They are just redefining it. And that's the beauty of this age: you do not have to grind 16 hours a day anymore. You just have to build systems that do. If you want to start today, here's a 3-step lazy roadmap. Step 1. Pick a niche you understand: entertainment, finance, tech, or self-help. Step 2. Use AI to build automation. Tools: ChatGPT, Ideas, Canva Magic, Design, Opus Clip, Video, Notion AI, Workflow. Step 3. Post consistently: let algorithms work with algorithms. Remember, the first dollar is hardest. The rest? AI handles the scaling. We were told laziness is bad. But in the age of AI, laziness is leverage. Because the ones who learn how to let machines work are the ones who will never have to. Subscribe for more AI-powered stories. Comment your favorite lazy idea to make money, and let's build the community together.